Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. All right, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open the next item from our Notions box. So this one is in bright orange packaging, makes me happy, and it has a clue on it that says, jot it like it's hot. So when I hear that, I think jot like writing, like I actually think like old-fashioned calligraphy when I hear jot. I feel like that's an older word, but jot it like it's hot. In the package test, it feels like a book, which would go with the writing theme. It does not make any sound. I just opened one recently that made sound. This one does not make sound. So as we open it, inside of it, we have Built Quilt, who has provided us with 5 Quilty themed journals and notebooks. Each one on the cover has a different quilt pattern, a different quilt theme. I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm probably going to get in trouble for opening it, but I want to be sure to show you guys how cool these notebooks actually are. Let's get the sleeve off. So this is a small female-owned company as well, Built Quilt in California. And so this is the first journal, the first notebook. It's got that on both sides. It is actually lined on the inside. So I know sometimes they're blank, sometimes they have grid. These just have straight lines. Here's a pretty blue one. Now, bonus points, if as you're watching this video, you can name these patterns. I don't know what some of these are. This one, super pretty, even though I only marginally like green. And then, of course, the last book. So these are 5 fantastic notebooks that you can use for whatever you wish. Perhaps you're storing patterns, storing recipes, storing just general ideas and inspiration. But we do hope that you use them and make sure to jot it like it's hot. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do 1 item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our Puzzle Mystery Quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.